In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this modern PowerPoint slide using 3D models. First, let's start with a clean slate. Delete the current slide and insert a new blank slide. Next, go to the Design tab and select Format Background. Under the Solid Fill options, change the color to black to create that deep space look. Now, let's insert our 3D moon. Go to the Insert tab, click on 3D Models, and search for Moon. Choose the model you like best and click Insert. Once it's on the slide, you might need to zoom out a little to see everything. Increase the size of your moon and position it off to the side. You can use the rotation icon in the center of the model to find the perfect angle for your moon. Next, let's add our topic. Go to Insert, select Text Box, and draw it on the slide. Make sure your font color is set to white, so it's visible against the dark background. Type your topic here. Select the text and choose a font style you like. We're going to make it bold. Set the character spacing to very loose. And increase the font size. To get that modern outline look, go to the Shape Format tab, select Text Outline, and choose white. Then set the text fill to no fill. Finally, go back to the text outline settings and increase the weight until the title looks sharp and clear. Let's insert another text box for the introduction. Type your text here. I'm going to change the font to Calibri Light, decrease the size, and set the alignment to Justify. Now let's align our text. Select both text boxes by holding down the Control key, then press Ctrl+G to group them together. We want to hide this text behind the moon. Since the text is currently in front, go to the Format tab and click Send Backward until it is tucked behind the moon. Now hide the text like this. Now for the magic. Duplicate the slide by pressing Ctrl+D. On this second slide, select your text group and bring to front. Move the moon slightly and rotate it to a different angle to show its 3D depth. Finally, go to the Transitions tab and select Morph. And that's it. Let's see the finished slideshow. If you want to see more tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.